switch because you won, okay?
That's a good shield. Each of the coaches has a deck of cards, and you guys, before your match starts, you're going to choose 2 cards. You choose them at random. Keep those in your pocket, and you can use them anytime during the match to give you tactical advantages. Tell the coach, the referee, I'm going to use one of my cards, and then you're ready to use it. All right, boys, let's go. Come on. Come on, we're going to play. Go, put your stuff down and get in quick. He wants down. Okay, it's up.
He wants to use the fire starter.
He's using fire starter.
Fire starter.
2 points, that means you start this game love 30.
30 love start.
Wait, hold on. He has a reverse, so it's 30 love for him.
He used 1 serve only. Double. She can play to the doubles Alice for 3 points in a row. You can only play cross court, Mia.
But his is only for 2 points. 1 serve only, okay?
Friends playing against each other. Nothing better than this.
Was very good, okay? So Mia, you win. Give her a round of applause, and you choose your prize. Second place here.